Hi there, I'm Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. Today I'm really excited. Today I'm getting to show and share the new styles from the Orchid Collection. Right here I have with me Hallie in Moonstone. Hallie looks great and I'm sure you would agree, you know, it's just that gorgeous rooted colour, that really kind of soft curl pattern to it. And if I just turn Hallie around, you can see, you know, we've got that really kind of nice shape into the neck and that soft feathered neckline that just looks great. So I'm really excited about Hallie, and I can't wait to see you guys in it and see the reactions we're going to get through social media. Hallie here is in shadowed custard, so I've just literally taken her out the box. So you can see Hallie is a machine-made cap. She's a machine-made top, but Hallie also has a lace front. So you can see on here how that keeps it looking so natural. I mean, look at that. I mean, shadowed custard is really a stunning colour. So that's Hallie. Let's move on to the next one. So I'm now here with Sassy, which is again one of our new styles for the Orchid Collection. Sassy is, well, it's exactly what it says it is. It's, you know, it's sassy. And I really love this. You know, I really love this colour. I really love this style. Sassy is one of those really strong styles with a lovely kind of sideward fringe, and we've got that medium length cut. But another fun fact with Sassy is heat friendly. So should you want to have a little bit of a difference or a bit of a swap around and change and do it wavy or curly, you can do that quite easily with Sassy. Let me just show you the back length here. See, that just looks great. Really nice. A very fashionable length for this season as well. So let me just turn her around. She looks great there with all the nice shape coming to the front. I also have another Sassy here, so I just wanted to show you the cap construction of Sassy. Now Sassy is soft net, so basically the net on here is covering the wefting, but the beauty of this is so comfortable, and if you just see, it's got that lovely stretch and flex to it, so it kind of molds itself naturally to your individual head shape, which just feels amazing for the end user and the wearer. So let's move on to the next style. I'm with Britt. So you can see Britt is one of those styles that's just gonna be so age appropriate for so many different ladies, because it's got this lovely curl pattern in there. It's very on trend at the moment with the soft fringe coming over and that kind of really lovely kind of free kind of texture to it. I'm just gonna turn Britt to a side and you can see that haircut is amazing. I mean, I am a hair cutter and I know how hard it is to cut that kind of shape. So that just looks great, and offset with the curl pattern just looks fantastic. And I really wanted to show you this neckline in here, because this neckline is very beautiful. You know, cut really feathery, so it just gives you that lovely softness and doesn't let the style look too harsh at all. Britt is a machine-made cap, as you can see, and she has adjustable straps in at the nape, and she's really light, really lightweight. So I've got a feeling that Britt is going to be an amazing style for the summer, because it's one of those easy styles you can put on with the curl pattern. It always looks $1 million, and it's not going to be too hot, and it's nice and breezy if you like. So let's move on to the final style for the Orchid range of this year. We're with our fourth and final style for Orchid for this season. Now this style, if any of you are big Ensley fans, which I am, I absolutely love that wig, we've actually brought Ensley out in a TP. A TP stands for top piece, and if you look in our site under hair enhancements, you will find this beautiful new style. So like Ensley, we managed to keep this beautiful curl pattern, which I'm just using my wire brush and just brushing that through. You can see you can have it in a nice soft wave or in a curl. Now here's Ensley TP just sat on my mannequin next to me, and I just wanted to show you the cap here. The cap's beautiful. We have a lovely lace front, and we have a lace part, and we have these 4 little clips around the base which just pop in for securing. Now I think, for me, Ensley TP is going to be massive this season. I think it's just beautiful. What do you think? I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen today. I think we've really nailed it with Orchid this year, so I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys have got to say and what you think about all the new styles. So once again, thanks for tuning in. I'm Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. And remember, as always, follow us on all social media. And if there's anything you haven't seen or that you'd like to see in the future, please get in contact with us. And from me and everybody here at René of Paris, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.